Emergency in the air. Emergency in the air. حالة طوارئ لازمانها تشيبو. Emergency in the air. On April 28,988 at 1:25 p.m. flight 243 left Hilo, Hawaii. On April 28,988 at 1:25 p.m. flight 243 left Hilo, Hawaii. دبيستو هشتي أبريل دا سال 1988 دم هجمار يكو بيسو بنج دقا بالا فرا هجمارا دصدو چلو سي لفت هيلو هواي هيلو هواي باركر. It was a 40-minute flight to Honolulu and the weather was good. It was 40 minute chill دقا flight to Honolulu أفرح لها chill دقي بالروام دكي and the weather was good وباجي قلكي خوشبو دنيا قلكي خوشبو طقس weather حالة عاصمانية. The 89 passengers were in their seat with their seatbelt on. هشتي ونه راكب لسر الطيارين لسر كرسي خونا وحزام واجي حزام أمان أباكو دنا بر سنقاخوا أوجي حميش كاخو قريدايبو باراستي بنان. The 89 passenger مسافرين were in their seat لسر كرسي خبون with their seat belt on وحزام واجي قريدايبو. At 1:40 the plane reached for 24,000 feet. ده ساعته كل دقيقة طيارة قهشت بلندبونا 24,000 لنج. At 1:40 the plane reached 24,000 feet. feet يعني لنج قدم. And the 3 flight attendants start serving drink. هرسي مضيفي إيكو بخوارني تقرينن دنابا طياري دا مشروباتي خوا بخوارني خوا قراندن. And the 3 flight attendants started serving drinks. Suddenly at 1:45 there was a loud noise. جنش كيفا ساعت يكو چلو بنج دقا دنگكي بلند هات. Suddenly at 1:45 there was a loud noise. Mr. Denon, a businessman, was in a window seat in the back of the airplane. Mr. Denon ابنافي مروفكي businessman رجل زلامكي كاركربو خدي كارابو businessman رجل أعمال بو was in a window seat الجم بنجري رونشتبو in the back of the airplane داويدا داويا طياريدا in the back the داويدا of the airplane بالافريدا فروكيدا. Mr. Denin, a businessman, was in a window seat in the back of the airplane. He looked at the front of the airplane and saw a big hole. He looked ميزان at the front of the airplane the speaker بالافريدا and saw a big hole قلقة مظن للطيارة جديد the بيشياوي ده front of the airplane front the speaker بالافريدا. The thirst of the roof was gone. Mr. Deng said, I saw blue sky. The thirst beast جسقفي طياري فريبو Chubu, Mr. Dunning said, we got, I saw blue sky as Azmane shined binum. The thirst of the roof was gone, Mr. Dunning said, I saw blue sky. David Kupaha of Navim Rovakia was in a seat in the front of the airplane. Ronishibu Despega Tiarida, Balafreda. David Kopiha was in a seat in the front of the airplane. Despega Tiarida, Balafreda, Ronishibu. His suitcase was under the seat in front of him. Chantewi Ben Corsier Le Peshawi Dabu. His suitcase was under the seat in front of him. Suddenly, the suitcase flew out of the airplane. Suddenly, Janishkeva, the suitcase, Chantewi, flew out free derva of the airplane Shtayari. Chantewi, Shtayari free. Suddenly, the suitcase flew out of the airplane. Then a piece of metal hit his arm and cut it. Peshra parchak Hassan metal لجنجويكات أو برينداركر. Then a piece of metal hit his arm and cut it. وبرينداركر cut it برينداركر. The passenger next to him had a large cut on his head. أو مسافر عمره فيدي رخدة برينك قالكي مظن سريويدا تشيبو. The passenger next to him أو مسافر رخويدا had a large cut on his head سريع. Everything was flying around, books, paper, money, said passenger Stanford Samson. هميتشت لهويردوريا فريم كتاب فرتوك قاغذ برا ولو في مسافريها كوتي كوبنافي ستانفورد سامسون. When the pilot heard the noise, he looked back. شاخي بيلوتي طياري بالافري أفكال بالغ حسكر لبشت خميزة. When the pilot heard the noise, he looked back. Looked back لبشت ناري. Thank you very much. الفيديو زي here I come to end. از الفيديو كام داوية ملفر از وسيامة زي داوي